Hey everyone, I'm Jason. Today's video, we're going to unbox and set up the all-new DEERC D65 drone. So DEERC just sent me this drone. If I could do another review on it, test it out, just try it out. This one is rated for 14 plus. This one actually is a 2-axle gimbal camera, so is adjustable. It's also 249 grams ultra light, which is good. You don't need a license to fly this one. Also has GPS positioning, and it's a brushless motor. Let's open it up. Let's see what comes with it. So this one comes with an actual carrying case. A lot of pockets. That's really nice. Just open it up. Okay, right over here, we got a really thick manual, as you guys can see. Let's take this out of the case. So we got 1, 2. So a lot of compartments in there. Let's move this aside. Let's check out what's in this box first. It doesn't look like there's anything else in there. So, USB, some extra propellers, screwdriver, and a bag of screws. So here's probably all the replacement parts that you're going to need. And your charging cable. And over here we have a battery. That feels like the drone. This is the remote control. As you guys know, it actually has some quite a bit of weight to it. They actually thought this through. So this screws onto here. So it's easy to package. It will not get damaged. So that's pretty smart. There we go. It looks like it's rechargeable as well. Okay, put this aside and let's check out the drone. Really nice packaging, I'll give you that. So as you guys can see, it's actually a really nice sized drone. Here's the camera right here. Comes with a nice cover. Remove the sticker. And now we can remove this. When you're storing the camera away, you gotta make sure you don't throw this out, so it holds the camera in place. Put that aside. So this one actually does move. That's really nice. Can't wait to test that part. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure we have a full charge on the battery. We'll see how long this battery lasts for. I'm going to charge the remote as well. And then let's do a test flight. Okay, so first thing we got to do is download the app. So this is the app that we need. It's called DEERC GPS. So I'm going to download it on mine. I'm going to hit get. Now let's hit open. Free gift. We'll check this out after. You're going to get these prompts like I'm getting. You have to allow it if you want it to download the videos and photos right to your phone. You're going to have to hit allow. Okay, so now we got the app downloaded. Now we need to pair the drone with our remote. And to do this, let's turn on the remote first. You got to tap the power button one time, then press it a second time. There we go, it's on. And now let's press and hold the power button on the back of the battery for about 3 seconds. And there we go. So the remote says we're connected. Okay, so now let's head over back to the app. We have to go to Wi-Fi. We're going to look for the drone built-in Wi-Fi. Here's mine right here. So let's tap on it. There we go. We got our check mark. So now let's head over back to the app. Okay, so now we're going to hit controls. And we got a picture. Perfect. Okay, so now we need to, oh, looks like we need to do the calibration. Okay, so right on the screen, we need to rotate it, flip it, and rotate it again. Now we're ready for a test flight. Here we go. Okay, I really want to try the panning and the zooming. So let's try the zooming. Wow. Okay, that's pretty cool. You know what, for a drone this size and for this price range, that's actually pretty good. I have to say it is, in my opinion, a true 1080p camera. The video is actually pretty sharp. So if you guys like filming in the dark, this is the night shot. Not the greatest, but once again, it's not meant to be flying at night. But if you're curious, this is what it looks like. So just so you guys know, this thing does a lot more. You can make it film on command. You could take photos on command. It does auto tracking. Like, the list goes on and on and on. This thing does quite a bit of stuff. Anyhow, that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys are interested in this drone, I will have a link in the description where to get it with a discount code. If you guys have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. You want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.